Assalamualaikum parents and students. Today we are going to start worksheet 3 of third class. Subject is social studies. Today let us discuss the difference between the earth and the sky. What do we find on the earth? We are all saying that earth is spherical in shape. We are saying that globe is a model of the earth. Let us discuss about globe. See, this is a globe. What do we find on the earth? Globe. Total earth. What does earth consist of? Water, mountains, valleys. These are all we have seen here it on the earth. So here the globe it is in sky blue in color. Why it is sky blue in color? Because the total region it is covered with water. Here there are two hemispheres. This is an axis. This is called as an axis. Here, this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. Here we can find continents. Here we can find oceans. Here we can find seas. Here we can find mountains. Each and every geographical division also we can find it on the globe. But what does sky consist of? What does sky consist of? Sky gives us day and night. That is a natural thing. Here mountains, valleys, hills, they are all natural things. We have not created them. The earth has been due to elasticity, the earth has expanded. Due to elasticity, the earth has been expanded. Sky consists of again the stars, galaxy, the Big Bang theory, solar system. About these are all consist of about the sky. Now let us discuss about Big Bang theory. What is Big Bang theory? Previously, what is Big Bang theory? Big Bang theory means, first let us discuss that any universe it is hot and dense. Dense means गहराई. कैसी है हमारी जमीन? कैसी है? पूरी गर्म है और कैसी है? डेंस है. In the same way, after the explosion of all the things, explosion बोल दो फूटना. जब जमीन पे कोई चीज लावा आया, अर्थक्वेक आया, क्या होता? जमीन ऐसा इलास्टिसिटी से फैल जाती. उसी तरह जमीन भी चौड़ी हो जाती. There will be some plates, celestial plates will be there, where the earth it will be like elasticity in shape. It will spread. After spreading that, we on the earth we are formed continents. Next, in the sky we form Big Bang theory. The definition of the Big Bang theory is at the time of the Big Bang theory Big Bang, there things in the universe, things means here क्या आता है यूनिवर्स में? यूनिवर्स अगेन इट विल ऑफ स्काई ना. व्हाट डू वी फाइंड इन द यूनिवर्स? What do we find in the universe? It was hot and dense. After the explosion, all the things began to cool down and grow bigger. Thus, the universe was created. This is called the Big Bang theory. This is called the Big Bang theory. At the time of Big Bang, when there is Big Bang was going to happen, at the time what happened in the universe? Universe was totally hot and it was dense. When there was explosion, the things, whatever the things are there in the universe, they began to cool down, and there the universe was created. This is called as Big Bang theory. This is a picture of Big Bang theory. This is a picture of Big Bang theory. Next, about galaxy. What does galaxy consist of? Galaxy consists of stars. The twinkling stars you see in the sky, that is called as galaxy. Galaxy consists of again the sun, the earth, the stars which are located in the galaxy called the Milky Way. What is Milky Way? In the Milky Way, we can find the sun, the earth, and the stars. That is called as Milky Way. The sun is a huge star. We can call sun as a ball of fire. This is called as galaxy. This is called as galaxy. One picture I have sent, one video I have sent regarding the solar system. You can see it clearly in your video. Next, solar system. Just as we are having the family, in the same way, solar system is also having its own family by having 8 planets which are surrounding the sun. Next, asteroids. What are asteroids? Asteroids are nothing but the planets. There are certain objects that also move around the sun. These objects, these 4 objects, they are moving around the sun. Example, Mercury, Jupiter, comet, and satellite. These 4, they are moving around the sun. So they are called as asteroids. They are like रॉकी, पत्थर के जैसे रहते वो लोग और हमेशा फिरते रहते. सोलर सिस्टम में 8 प्लैनेट क्या क्या है? देखो यहाँ पर सन, वीनस, मार्स, जुपिटर, नेपट्यून, सैटर्न, यूरेनस. These are the solar system. These are the planets of solar system. We have sent you one practice paper also. The practice paper you have to practice, and whenever you are coming to school, you have to show the practice paper to us. By this, you have completed worksheet 3. If any doubts are there, you can consult to school.